on the classroom door. Step, 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 what a sight. Spooky school, but feels alright. Kitty walks into school today. Books and chairs are ready to play. But suddenly lights go flicker-a-glay. Something moves behind a sticker. Spooky, spooky, who is there? Funny friends are everywhere. Mummy walks in all uptight, but he waves and says goodnight. Kitty laughs, you look so funny. Mummy shares his lunch and honey. Step, 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 don't be scared. Spooky school is everywhere. Skeleton clicks his bones. Zombie groans in funny tones. They try to write on classroom board, but letters fall and hit the floor. Ding, 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 spooky fun. School with monsters is #1. Witch flies in on broom so fast. Sprinkles glitter all at last. Books start dancing in the air. Kitty claps without a care. Spooky, spooky, what a show. Magic school is fun, you know. Dracula comes with big smile, but he just wants to stay a while. He drinks juice, not scary blood, and joins the fun with everyone. Step, 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 dance and play. Spooky school is fun today. Ding, ding, bell, school is fun. Spooky friends for everyone. Mummy, zombie, witch and all. Kitty school is the best of all. Oh no, Jack, Kitty forgot all her body parts. Let's help Kitty learn and point them correctly. Touch, sing, and learn with Kitty Play. Kitty looks in the mirror today. Something is missing. What can I say? She wants to learn in a funny way. So let's help Kitty start to play. Head, 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 where are you? Here I am, I'm on top of you. Kitty laughs, I found you there. Her head is here, now we're aware. Eyes, eyes, where are you? Here I am, I see you too. Kitty blinks, I can see bright. Eyes help me see day and night. Nose, nose, where are you? Here I am, I sniff things too. Kitty giggles, what a smell. Nose is working very well. Mouth, mouth, where are you? Here I am, I talk to you. Kitty sings la la la. Mouth can laugh and say hurrah. Hands, hands, where are you? Here I am, I clap for you. Kitty claps, clap, clap. Hands help me give a tap. Feet, feet, where are you? Here I am, I walk with you. Kitty jumps, run so fast. Feet help me have fun that last. Kitty learned her body parts today. Head to feet in a fun way. Touch and sing, come and see. Learning is fun for you and me. 5 spooky riders were riding on a bus. Skeleton and Mummy making lots of fuss. One stood up and bumped his head. Say, Kitty called the owl, and the owl then said, "Bent, no more spooky riding on the bus."
Riding on a bus.
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 Four spooky riders were riding on a bus. Zombie skeleton causing crazy fuss. One slipped out and broke the wheel. The kitty called the Dino, and Dino then said, "Hint, stop the spooky ride on the bus."
Riding on a bus.
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 Three spooky riders were riding on a bus. Mummy witch making lots of fuss. Witch did magic, oops, too fast. Her window flew off and didn't last. Kitty called the ghost, and ghost then said, "No more magic on the bus."
Riding on a bus.
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 Two spooky riders were riding on a bus. Dracula, zombie, scary little fuss. Dracula laughed and scared the lights out. Kitty called the bear, and bear then said, "Babe, stop the spooky ride tonight."
Riding on a bus.
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 One spooky rider was riding on a bus. Skeleton crying, feeling big fuss. He jumped too hard and broke the seat. Kitty called the witch, and witch then said, "Great! Fix the bus? Fix it fast!"
Riding on a bus.
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 They fixed the bus. Riding on a bus. All spooky riders back again. Kitty smiles and says, "Today, let's all ride in a happy way." Lee, ha!
Riding on a bus.
Riding on a bus.
Riding on a bus.
Riding on a bus.
I'll add some magic.
Morning farm goes dark and slow. No kakaboda in a row. Minimo sleeping everywhere. Pavilion, who's not there? Oh no, 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 something's wrong. No rooster morning song. Meep, meep, meep. Farm is quiet, no alarm yet. No rooster voice to wake the farm yet. Sun is up, but lights feel low. Everyone whispers, where did he go? Kitty yawns, this is strange. Farm feels like it lost its change. No cockadoodle, oh so low. Farm forgot how mornings go. Beep, beep, beep. Rooster tries, but no sound comes in. Beak opens, he shakes his head. Tries again, but voice is gone like morning rain. Rooster cries, "I lost my sound." Echo only all around. No cockadoodle, nothing dares. Rooster voice disappeared in air. Kitty jumps, "Don't worry now. I will fix this, I know how." She checks the barn, looks left and right. Even asks the wind at night. Wind says maybe he's just shy. Kitty smiles, "Let's try, try, try." No cockadoodle, nothing bare. Finds the voice, let's find it slow. Kitty finds a tiny seed. Rooster swallowed while he had feed. She laughs, "Oh, I see the case." Voice is stuck in tummy space. Rooster looks so super sad. Kitty says, "Don't feel bad. Oh, 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 mystery found." Voice is hiding underground.
Try to dig it out.
Kitty brings a magic tea. "Drink this slowly, trust in me." Rooster drinks, gluck, 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 then suddenly, Huga hug, yolk stuck, cock-a-doodle-doo. Morning sound is on the track. Minimals wake with happy cheer. Morning sound is loud and clear. Meep, meep, meep. Kitty smiles, problem done. Rooster shines like rising sun. Cock-a-doodle loud and bright. Farm is happy day and night. Light, 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 light,
Feels so down.
light. Now cock-a-doodle loud and bright. Farm is happy day and night. Now cock-a-doodle rooster voice to wake the farmer. Sun is up, but lights feel low. Everyone whispers, "Where did he go?" Kitty yawns, "This is strange." Farm feels like it lost its change. No cock-a-doodle, oh so low. Farm forgot how mornings go. Meep, meep, meep. Farm forgot how mornings go. Rooster tries but no sound comes. The beak opens. He shakes his head, tries again, but voice is gone like morning rain. Rooster cries, I lost my sound. Rooster cries, I lost my sound. Echo only all around. Rooster cries, I lost my sound. Echo only all around. Meet, meet, meet. Morning sound is on the track. Meet, meet, meet. Ticky-tacky night, so bright, lovely. Farm is sleeping soft, the moonlight mulokay. But wait, what's that in the sky? Something glowing falling by. Oh no, 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 look up high. The moon is falling from the sky. Wobble, wobble, moon goes low, a step. Shaking, shaking, slow, slow, slow. Next star shout, hey, come back. But moon is slipping off its track. Each boom light hits the farm below. Animals wake like, oh no, no. Wobble, wobble, falling down. Moon is landing on the ground. Cow runs, moo, what is this light? Pig says, oik, it's too bright. Rooster screams, cock-a-doo, like duck goes quack. Is it true? Sheep faints bay. We'll see the sky. Goat eats rope. Munch, don't ask why. Farm goes crazy left and right. Moon is shining super bright. Moon is sad. I'm on it now. I will fix this, just show how. She grabs a net. She grabs a rope. This is not the end of hope. Wind whispers, hurry fast. Moon is falling very fast. City kitty on the road. Rescue mission has begun. Moon is sad, I slipped away. I lost my place in sky today. Kitty says, don't cry, don't fear. I will take you back up here. She swings the rope. Up, up high. Stars start cheering in the sky. Swing, swing, swing. Up you go. Slow, 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 nice and slow. Moon is back in sky so high.